Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wheelchair ramps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Easy Access Suitcase Singlefold as portable ramp. The ability to get into a room or raised grounds requires special accessories for the disabled. This suitcase-designed single-fold ramp is one of modern options. It has a foldable design that enables convenient storage and portability. Therefore, when traveling, people can carry this ramp for easy access to different buildings. Fitted with unbreakable handles, the case is great and provides reliable strength. Weighing only 10 pounds, the ramp can hold 800 pounds. Despite the portability, the ramp is made to last and provide high performance. Due to the exquisite engineering, it has excellent functionality. Thus, one can easily enjoy high ability once having this device. The self-adjusting bottom plates are great for ensuring the equipment provides a perfect transition. This mobility device is designed to ensure there is ease of access to different places effortlessly. Therefore, it can fit in areas with high traffic as well as home use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Prairie SFW 330 Portable Single-Fold Ramp. The Prairie SFW 330 Portable Ramp is all you need and gives disabled people smooth room entrance. It's a carefully made ramp with exceptional engineering. Unlike most metallic ramps, this has riveting instead of welding. Therefore, there are no more weak points that improve durability. Made from a robust aluminum structure, it has improved weight capacity compared to rubber or plastic. Apart from durability, the material is resistant to corrosion. There is great traction since the surface has an anti-slip tape. Therefore, the wheelchair or scooter enjoys maximum traction without slipping or skidding. The wide design is ideal for covering full door length. This allows everyone to enjoy smooth passage without risks. Due to the folding nature, the ramp is carried like a suitcase and offers easy portability. Above all, it has a capacity of 800 pounds. At number 3, we have the Easy Access 1.5-inch Transitions Rubber Angled Entry Mat. The Easy Access is a breathtaking wheelchair mat that allows easy house access. It is a sleek and smooth incline, which is great for a smooth wheelchair, scooter, and kid bikes. Manufactured from recycled rubber, this ramp is eco-friendly and durable. Due to the expert engineering, the ramp is naturally slip-resistant. This allows people to move with confidence without slipping like with other inclined mats. Available in 1.5 and 2.5 inches rise, these ramps are great for most doorways. The surface is channeled, which is superb for draining water. Also, the beveled edges are classic for keeping the movement smooth from different approach angles. Due to high-quality engineering, this access mat is ideal for years of use whether indoors or outdoors. Unlike the permanently installed mats, this one has simple mounting without bolting. As a result, it provides instant and reliable access without compromising safety. The portable nature allows for high portability from one place to another. At number 2, we have the Silver Spring Lightweight Foam Threshold Ramp. Getting into a house for people using wheelchairs can be tricky. This Silver Spring foam ramp is one of a kind. Made from lightweight foam, it provides bump-free access to the doorways. Also, bearing in mind foam's extra light, it doesn't feel bulky like rubber or metallic ramps. Therefore, the ramp is highly portable, which ensures to use on different occasions. Boasting 3 inches rise, it ensures people can easily enjoy accessing highly elevated doorways. The surface is superb and allows for wheelchairs to move smoothly. In fact, the impact absorption means no bumpy ride once you are riding a wheelchair. Unlike the rubber ramps, this is safe for use indoors since it doesn't have strong odors. The protective non-scratch and non-mar coating render the ramp durable and reliable for long. Also, the coating prevents water from damaging the foam material. Despite being foam-made, this ramp is capable of holding 800 pounds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Elevate Prairie ATH 2436 Adjustable Threshold Ramp. The Elevate adjustable threshold ramp is one of the ideal ways to give disabled people easy access. It is a lightweight ramp made from sturdy aluminum materials. The surface has a grooved design, which is excellent for ensuring there is no slipping. Therefore, the safety of users is guaranteed when using this ramp. The construction entails welding, which is superb for keeping it intact even when used for high-traffic areas. The structure is super strong, which allows for heavy-duty usage. Apart from wheelchairs, the ramp is also dedicated to scooters. The adjustable nature is superb for ensuring there is a great fit. Therefore, it can fit different doorways, which is great instead of buying different ramps. Compared to others, this has a durable structure that ensures it supports heavy weight. In fact, it can accommodate up to 800 pounds. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.